Hello everyone and welcome to Sneakeroos. Today we're celebrating the King's birthday here in Australia, and because it's a special day I have randomly picked 3 sneaker boxes to choose from. But I reckon I will only unbox one for you guys. But before anything else, please don't forget to tap that subscribe button and notification bell to keep yourself up to date when Sneakeroos has a new video. Now let's start the unboxing. As you can see, we have 3 different boxes around here. We have one on this side, one in the middle, and then one on this side as well. I'm not going to unbox all of them, but I'm just going to choose one. So what do you guys think? Is it going to be this one, the one in the middle, or the one on the right side? All right, I think, let me check. Well, before I do that, just letting you know that all of these boxes have been sitting in my office for quite some time already, maybe months. I don't know what's inside. You don't know what's inside. Now, as I was telling earlier, I need to choose either this one, or this one. Now, what do you guys think? Well, I think I'm going to choose this one. Now, I'm going to move this one out of the way. And this one as well. And let's concentrate on this one. Okay, so as you can see, this is from Nike, but I'm not sure which pair of sneaker is inside this box. Now, are you guys ready? All right, let's do this. Okay, so I'm not sure if I need this. Do I really need this? Maybe not, maybe. Oh, it's a pull tab. So here is a pull tab here. It's pretty easy these days to just, okay. On this side now. So it's just only in this top. So are you guys ready? All right, 1, 2, 3. Okay. Okay, let me just double check. All right. All right. I think I'm gonna flip it later on, but I just can't wait. Just can't wait. Let's do this then. Okay. You have to bear with me. Got stuck somewhere. Okay. Alright, just letting you know I'm gonna flip the box. Alright, woo! What could this be? Before I flip it, just showing you the bottom of the box. You can see here different logos. You know, the Nike swoosh, just do it. Nike Air, Nike Air Sole. So, but before anything else, maybe I'm gonna make a guess. I think it's an Air Max. If not, I wish it is a Foamposite. If not, this could be a penny, one of those penny signature shoes. What about you guys? What do you think? What do you think is inside this box? Now let me flip it right now. Oh my god, the name revealed itself. No, all right, now there's no suspense in this one now. Okay, so as you can see, this is Morant's signature sneaker, and I think this could be in blue colorway, but I'm not sure. But before anything else, let me just show you around the box. Yeah, obviously this is Morant. I like the box though. I like the color. It's just blue, very clean. No texture in the box, but it's more just like a design. If I can zoom that into you. Yeah. Okay. All right, the Nike swoosh logo here, and Morant logo. All right, so if you're ready, then I'm ready. Let's do this. 1, 2, 3. Oh, okay. Wow. Wow. Okay. I think I'm gonna pull it out right now. Oh. Well, this looks nice. Actually, this is the first time that I purchased Morant's sneaker. In his first release, I have not been able to cop any of his signature shoe, and I just had an opportunity to get this one. I don't think this is one of those in-demand colorways, but sometimes these days it's very hard to cop a pair of, you know, these player signature sneakers. But other than that, I mean, I'm really happy with this one. I like this color. It's actually good. Of course, you have the air zoom here. Okay, let me just give you a look around. Okay, this is the outsole. This is the bottom of the shoe, and this is his logo. Now on the lateral side, you got this air zoom logo here as well. You got the swoosh, and that sort of extends up until the medial side. Yeah, I think you can use this as a pull tab, but you know, I don't suggest you do that. I mean, sometimes it's not really necessary to have a pull tab in any basketball shoe or sneaker, but I believe, you know, you can use this just to kind of handle it a little bit like this, you know. All right, so what else? Let me just check the other one here. All right, all good. Flat laces. I like the quality of the lace or laces out here. It's not one of those cheapo feeling shoelace. It's good, I believe. And this mesh here in the tongue, let's see if it's padded. Okay, I think it is well padded. Now, in terms of the materials that they use, I'm going to tell you firsthand, it is not as premium as Air Jordan 35, 36, 37, 38, or even the previous one, which is actually leather. In terms of like the materials, it's okay. It's good enough, I think. I believe as long as you can play hoops in them and it has support, then that will be great. Breathability, I have to check. This padding here is a bit thick, so I'm not sure about the breathability here. Maybe in the toe box, probably. Yeah, let me just check if. Yeah, I'm not sure. Yeah, but other than that, I'm pretty excited to wear them. Probably this weekend to play basketball. And one of the details that you can see here is start from scratch. You can see here, start from scratch. And there's a JA letter here as well, or letters. I can't read much of the detail, but I will tell you in the comment section. And the official colorway, let me just check the side of the box. It's midnight navy and laser orange. All right, it's midnight navy and laser orange, and the size is 9.5 US. So if I'm buying Nike shoes, I usually buy 9.5 US. And just for comparison, if I'm buying Adidas sneakers, just like what I've unboxed a few weeks ago, I usually wear a size 9 or buy a size 9. So that is something that you keep in mind. So again, let me just pull out sneaker and show it to you once again. Yeah. All right. In terms of the design, it is low cut. I wouldn't say it's mid cut. It's actually low cut, sort of like following the trend that Kobe started, you know, with his Protro shoes. It's pretty much, I would say, low profile shoes or low profile sneaker. I think this is sort of like following that kind of trend or style. But I'm pretty excited to wear this and see how it performs when I play basketball. So let me just give you a final look of the sneaker. Follow Sneakeroos, that's it for the unboxing. So until then, this is Days, and I'll see you in the next Sneakeroos video.